Hi, welcome to the last week of the semester. So there is a final exam, and it's meant to approximate a final exam in that you shouldn't take much more than 3 hours to write it, okay? But it needs to be good. It needs to be your best effort at a college essay under time constraints. So the instructions are in week 16. They're here. Um, you might want to print this out. You should read this really carefully. I'm asking you to, let's see, take stock of your own writing skills. Think about um, what skills you possessed coming into the class. What skills did you learn or improve upon over the last 15 weeks? What skills do you still need to work on? And specifically, I recommend that you write about which method of writing an essay um, works best for you. So, we use several different methods. Using a planner was one, and writing from the middle was another. And then for the research essay, we did it yet another way. We used the annotated bibliography. So this is your prompt. So look carefully at this prompt, highlight it, and decide how you want to organize your essay. But it should look like a college essay, right? It should have a three-part intro. Each body paragraph should have a topic, set, sentence, evidence, and analysis, and etc. If you have questions, specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And it was fabulous having you this semester, and I hope to meet you in person, all of you, someday. I hope so. Stop in when we get back on campus. Okay, bye.